There we go, guys. Roasted lamb shank, butter curry, and naan. Oh, that dry dead pine goes up like gasoline. It's time for dinner and I'm going to be making something special. I'm roasting lamb shank. Oh, I love lamb. Got a touch of olive oil here. Just want it oily so that all the herbs will stick to it. We're going to set it over this fire and just sear the outside. Oh yeah, nice sear on that. Now we're going to roast it slow and low. I'm just going to go ahead and add some rosemary, thyme, and parsley to the roast. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing and it sounds amazing.
Is unfit even for criminals, POWs.
I don't know what it is about shelling peanuts, but they taste so much better when you shell them yourself. I think it's a metaphor for life. You just enjoy things a lot more when you have to work for them. All right, I got a little Indian butter curry and some instant rice to go with my lamb here. I'm going to start boiling that up. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so beautiful. I also brought along a couple pieces of naan too, because, you know, why not? Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. There we go, guys. Roasted lamb shank, butter curry, and naan. That is, oh, it smells amazing. All right, we're going to try out this lamb shank. That is so good. I don't eat lamb enough. Just salt and pepper is so good. Oh, the curry's good too. Oh, I am stuffed.